Welcome, my dear students, RK Online Economic Classes. Now discuss about the National Institute for Transforming India. It is come to force 2015 January 1st onwards. It is replaced Planning Commission. It is replaced Planning Commission. It is also non-constitutional body like Planning Commission. Actually, this body is policy making body. Policy making body. This is also chairman, prime minister. National Institution for Transforming India. Other name is the Niti Ayog. Niti Ayog. It is the technical body. It is technical body. Planning Commission prepared 12 5-year plans and other plans also. Niti Ayog come to force, terminated all 5-year plans, introduced 3 types of plans. This plans is short term, long term and middle term. Structure of Niti Ayog. PM ex officio chairman of Niti Ayog, and he is appointed deputy chairman also. It is purely technical body. Once upon a time, Planning Commission general body, then Niti Ayog technical body. Why did calling technical body means DRDO one scientist, agriculture sector appointed one scientist, and all India medical sciences doctors also appointed. That is called technical body. Then Niti Ayog, 4 cabinet members, cabinet ministers appointed the ex officio members. Ex officio members. Ex officio means who are appointed minister, who are appointed prime minister. These are all acted in the chairman and its members. That is the another than the who appointed the 4 cabinet members means number 1 home minister, number 2 agriculture minister, number 3 defense minister, home, agriculture, defense and finance minister. These are all together ex officio members. Other than 4 cabinet members, specially inviters, those are number 1 transport minister, number 2 railway minister, number 3 social and justice minister, number 4 planning minister. You remember that, David student, 4 is the ex officio members, another 4 is the specially inviters only. If the Niti Ayog calling that ministers, they are the attend the members, the meeting. These members, ex officio members, already explained you. Then other than Niti Ayog is the non-constitutional body. It is also appointed created the cabinet resolution. Cabinet resolution. Who is the cabinet members means elected members, the cabinet members, cabinet ministers. Those are all activities, independent decisions are taken. Then the Niti Ayog is the implementation of the 3 types of the plans. One plan is the long term. It is the 2017 to 2032. Number 2, middle term plan 2017 to 2024. Third one, short term plan 2017 to 2000. But you remember that every student plans is as usual, but terminated only 5-year plans, terminated Planning Commission. Planning Commission that terminated 2014 August 17th. 2014 to 2017 up to 17, 12th fire plants also coordinate the Niti Aayog. Actually, 2014 terminated, but on that time is the Niti Aayog also working on all plans. Up to 2017, the coordinator of the plants, the Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is a technical body. Planning Commission is the general body. Other than it is the Niti Aayog created one of the governing council. Its council, all CMs and union territories lieutenant governors also its members. Niti Aayog every year conduct team maintain meetings. This is 2015 onwards, 2025 it is the continue process, all meetings. But only the not conduct meeting is the year of 2020 effect of the COVID-19. That is called the Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, it is a non-constitutional body and cabinet resolution. Niti Aayog recently some of the index of the made of the index also. HDI index, Happy index, and Ease Doing the Business index. These are all indexes made in India nowadays. Once upon a time, these are all activities, all other organizations. Now take over the Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog main theme is the transformation of India. India before, how is it development? Now to development, future development. Future development wanted to the Indian economic system because of termination of the Planning Commission. That place introduced the Niti Aayog. Thank you very much.